Well, hello again, folks. Shell Busey here with my Ask Shell blog. And I sure get lots of questions anytime, any day, any time of the day. Because if you go to my blog, which you are right now, if you're listening to me, then you can go there anytime, 24 hours a day, because it's on the internet. And I get up in the morning and I go to the internet and I get the information and it comes to me and then it goes to you. Don't forget to always include your phone number, the area you live, and obviously very few words as far as what you're phoning about, because I'm going to phone you and talk to you anyway. It's just that easy. But a lot of ants, and I don't mean the ants, the AU type. I'm talking about the ants, A-N-T-S, a real pain in the neck. Okay, but a lot of people, they will use a mixture you can make up at home if you've got the ingredients. If you don't have the ingredients, you can certainly buy them. But you need borax, honey, icing sugar, and water. Okay? And this is what you do. Very simply, boil some water. And I say some water. Okay? I'll explain to you why. Just some water. Boil some water. And then you have the borax. And then you have the icing sugar. And then you have the honey. Okay, what I want you to do is boil the water, put it into a bowl, and with that, put 1 tablespoon of honey in with just pour a little bit of water in there. You want to make it real nice and thin, okay? And then you're not going to use a lot of water. You might use a couple of tablespoons. Maybe you get the hot water this out of the faucet, okay? It depends on how hot it is. But anyway, you want hot water. Mix it with the honey, make it real nice and thin. And then what you do, you put that into a lid. Oh, something that you're throwing out into the recycling. Okay, a lid like a peanut butter bottle lid, that type of thing. Or it could be the lid off of, it could be even as small as a pop cap or a soft drink cap. Okay, like that. Or a beer cap, that type. And then what you do, you put the hot water and the mixture of honey into that, just swirl it around and dump it out. All you need is that thin layer inside that lid, okay? Because the ants are going to crawl up over and down into it, and then you got to put the rest of the ingredients in there first. Okay, so you got the hot water and the honey into the cap, and you poured it out. Now it's nice and sticky, and then you take borax, and you just sprinkle it in there, and you can use up to 2 tablespoons of borax, okay, depending on the size of the lid, okay? You don't want to mix any more of that because you don't want to set a lot of it around, okay? But take that and set it around, and some people will even pour it down into the cracks in concrete, the patio, down where it's coming up out of the wood patio, or the concrete cracks in the driveway, or the asphalt cracks, or around the basement wall on the outside, any of those areas, all right? And then with the icing sugar, you spread that over top of the borax, because they like sugar, okay? And especially when it's mixed with the borax. So the icing sugar, the borax on top of the water, the wet honey, and making it sticky just so it'll stick on it, and set that out. It's just that easy, folks. And then you get them. Now, the other way you can do it, you can go to your garden center. Also, some of the building supply stores have it as well, but it's called Doktor Doom, and it's a Doktor Doom ant spray. Okay, Doktor Doom, and that's D-O-K-T-O-R, Doktor Doom, manufactured in Edmonton, Alberta, and please go to your Google and just Google Doktor Doom ant killer. Okay. And they do ship it out by mail order, okay? You will find it sometimes at garden centers. You will find it sometimes at hardware stores that they have it as well. But that's what it's called. It's in a yellow aerosol can, and it will really do the job for you. So it'll even get these carpenter ants. That's, what the carpenter ant is, the one that wears the nail apron? Well, those are the ones that cause a lot of problem. Those little ants and fire ants and all the rest of them, you'll get that with the borax, okay? It's just that easy, folks. So I know you're all resting at home and getting as much time out shopping, etc., with the family in the backyard. Or I know things are loosening up with the COVID-19 virus, and oh boy, I'll tell you, cabin fever is an awful thing. But keep smiling, keep happy, keep everybody active, exercise, and what have you. And this is going to be in the back rear view mirror very soon, and hopefully it won't be that long, that far down the road. Okay, so until next time, my blog, very simply, askshell.com. It is just that easy. So until next time, stay well and stay happy. It's all what we do working together. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.